Now if you're having a no start issue, always start with your battery. And that doesn't mean just seeing if it's showing 12 volts. You need to load test it. You can pick up these load testers like this. Sometimes you can find them for real cheap, like this. But you're gonna hook up your battery, and it'll show if Pop can get it on there. See, now this one's showing 12 volts, but then we're gonna hit this switch and load test it. See, it's showing bad. So that's how you test your battery. Load test it. Thanks for watching.